TikTok direct message option not showing. So what we'll do is we'll open our TikTok, then we will click on our settings, and then we'll go in our privacy, and then we'll scroll down a bit, and there we can see direct message, and make sure that direct message is turned on in our TikTok. And then what we can do is we can clear our cache in our TikTok, and then we can go back to our settings, and after opening settings, we will go in uh, report a problem. So there we can search for direct message is no longer available or no longer working. So there we will get a new page open, and there we can just simply yes or no, and then we can, yeah, that is how we can solve direct message not working problem in TikTok.